Are you tired of struggling to come up with content ideas for your social media channels? Do you find it difficult to stay consistent with your content creation efforts? If so, you're not alone. These are common challenges that many business owners face in the digital marketing space. But what if I told you that there's a tool out there that can help you overcome these obstacles and take your content game to the next level? That tool is Syllaby. Syllaby is an all-in-one content creation tool that is designed to make your life as a marketer easier. It's packed with features that will help you generate ideas, stay organized, and create amazing content that resonates with your target audience. But don't just take my word for it. Syllaby is a tool designed to help you create a content strategy for your social media accounts in just 10 minutes. It's perfect for service-based businesses such as lawyers, doctors, and agency owners. With Syllaby, you can find topics specific to your industry and generate viral video scripts using this script writer. Let me give you a demo of how Syllaby works so you can see for yourself. When you first sign up for Syllaby, you'll be greeted with a screen that shows you the different tools available to you. But Syllaby is more than just a suite of tools. They have a process flow that's based on their proven repeatable processes as a marketing agency that really is going to help you get in the groove of content creation. One of the core features of Syllaby is the Content Ideas tool. Here's how it works. Let's say you're a real estate agent who specializes in VA loans. All you have to do is type in VA loans into the Content Ideas tool and hit Get Ideas. Syllaby will then show you all of the questions that your customers are searching for around that target keyword. This is incredibly useful because it takes the guesswork out of content creation. You'll know exactly what your target audience is searching for, which means you can create content that speaks directly to their needs and interests. But that's not all. Syllaby also has a schedule feature that allows you to organize your content and stay accountable. Let's say you find a question that you want to answer in a video. You can simply click on the schedule icon next to that question and set a date and time for when you want to create that video. Syllaby will then add that to your calendar and remind you when it's time to create that content. This is a great way to stay organized and ensure that you're consistently putting out high-quality content. Once you've scheduled your content, it's time to create it. This is where Syllaby comes in. This tool is designed to help you develop a content strategy for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and all of the platforms that are really being pushed right now. All you have to do is select your desired video length and click Add. Syllaby will then generate a video script that you can customize and use to create amazing content. But the best part? Syllaby is constantly learning and improving. They are always adding new features and capabilities to make the tool even more powerful and effective. So if you're looking for a way to take your content game to the next level and stand out in a crowded digital marketing landscape, Syllaby is the tool for you. Benefits. Here are some of the benefits you can expect from using Syllaby. More efficient content creation. Say goodbye to the endless hours spent brainstorming content ideas. Syllaby makes it easy to generate ideas and stay on track with your content schedule. Increased engagement. When you're creating content that speaks directly to your audience. By providing you with content ideas that are based on what your audience is searching for, Syllaby helps you create content that is more relevant and interesting to them. This can lead to more likes, comments, and shares on social media, as well as increased website traffic and conversions. Consistency in content creation. One of the biggest challenges in content creation is consistency. Syllaby helps you stay on track by providing a content calendar and consistency tracker. You can schedule your content in advance and mark it as complete once it's posted. This helps you stay consistent and on track with your content goals. Gamified experience. Syllaby takes a unique approach to content creation by making it a gamified experience. You can earn points for completing tasks and staying consistent with your content. This adds an element of fun and motivation to the content creation process. Unlimited content ideas. With Syllaby, you can generate an unlimited number of content ideas. Simply type in a service related to your business, and Syllaby will provide you with a list of questions that your customers are searching for around that topic. You can continually go down this rabbit hole and find new content ideas to keep your audience engaged. AI-powered video script generator. Syllaby's AI-powered video script generator is a game-changer for content creators. You can select the duration of your video and click on AI, and Syllaby will generate a full video script for you. This saves you time and helps you create engaging content quickly. Overall, Syllaby is an incredible tool that can help businesses overcome the challenges of content creation. With its AI-powered features and gamified experience, Syllaby makes it easy and fun to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Looking for a great deal on the latest features of Syllaby tool that everyone is talking about? Look no further. Click the link in the description to get an exclusive discount on this must-have tool that will take your productivity to the next level. Don't wait, act now and take advantage of this limited-time offer before it's too late. In conclusion, Syllaby is a powerful tool for digital marketers and business owners who want to create engaging content for their social media platforms. It's easy to use, AI-powered, and comes with a range of features that help you stay organized, consistent, and competitive in your content creation efforts. So if you're looking to take your content marketing to the next level, sign up for Syllaby today and see the results for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for future updates.